how to create Keplr wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Keplr wallet. So for that, just open your Chrome browser or any other browser of your preference, and after that on the search bar just search for Keplr wallet and just click on the first link that you will see. You can download Keplr in your mobile device as well. So for that you have to install the Keplr wallet app in your mobile phone, in your PC. So for that just click on install Keplr, and here you will see the option to download the Keplr wallet through your Chrome browser, Firefox, Edge, Apple iOS and Android. So for this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create the account in your Chrome browser. So for that just click on Chrome. And over here it will ask you to add it to your Chrome. Since I've already added in my Chrome, it is showing that remove from Chrome. So once you're added this in your Chrome, just click on the extension icon from there just pin the Keplr from there, and now you will see the Keplr in the extension tools, and after that just click on the Keplr from there. Now it will take you to this page. It will ask you to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So just click on create a new wallet, and after that you will have these two options. Either you can use a recovery phrase or you can sign up with your Google account. So you can go ahead and choose accordingly. I'm going to show you how you can use a recovery phrase to create your account. So for that you have to click on create new recovery phrase. And now you have to read the instructions that it says that do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. Anyone with your recovery phrase can have full control over your assets. Please stay vigilant against phishing attacks at all times. And it also says that back up the phrase safely. You will never be able to restore your account without your recovery phrase. So make sure that when you will see the phrase, make sure that whenever you will see the phrase, you have to write down the recovery phrase somewhere so that you will not forget it. Otherwise, you will not be able to recover your phrase. And after that, just click on I understood and show my phrase. And here you will have either you can go ahead and choose the 12 words recovery phrase, or you can go ahead and click on 24 words recovery phrase. So all you have to do is just click on copy to clipboard, and all these recovery phrase will be copied in your clipboard, and then you have to save them, otherwise you won't be able to access your account. So go ahead and do that first. And once you copied your recovery phrase, just go ahead and click on next. And now you have to verify your recovery phrase. It will ask you random words, so you have to write them accordingly. So just do that. And once you verify your recovery phrases, just go ahead and select a wallet name, and after that just create a password and confirm it. And once you selected a password, just click on next. And now you have to select the chains and just select them accordingly as per your preference. And if you don't find any of the chain that you want to join right now and you don't find them in the list, so you can also find the network or the chains through the search bar. Just search for the name of the chain that you want to join. And if you forget to add any of the chain that you would like to deal in the future, so you can also go ahead and change that in future. So once you selected that, and after that just go ahead and click on save, and then just click on finish. Once you are done, you will be able to access your account while clicking on the extension bar from top and click on Keplr. So this is how you will be able to create Keplr account. So this is how you will be able to create Keplr wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.